Hello, everybody, and welcome to A2Z from Vii Events live on LinkedIn and in our incredible immersive platform at a2z.vii.events that you can visit for a more immersive experience if you want. So, first, before we start, I would like to say thank you to EVMux for sponsoring this broadcast. They have awesome software that helps us to stream and create all these nice overlays and stuff that you're going to see in the future and during this live show. And they have great freemium that you can try and some awesome paid plans. So evmux.com, check it out. And so without any further notice, my name is Zhenia, and I'm the VP Customer Success at Vii Events. And together with me is our great CEO, Stas Zaslavsky. Stas, say a couple of words about yourself.
Thank you, Zhenia. Thank you for the introduction. So my name is Stas Zaslavsky. I'm co-founder and CEO of Vii Events. And I'm really happy to have you all coming here to our another session of A2Z Live, which is streamed, as Zhenia said, on LinkedIn, on YouTube, and on our Metaverse world, A2Z London. So if you are joined us from LinkedIn, you are able to see the session and the content, and you are welcome to send us comments. I'll address them and read them. But if you want to be truly experience an immersive experience, please go to a2z.vii.events and join this event through our platform. Now, without holding down the horses, I want to introduce my friend, my partner, my co-founder, Arnold Simha, who is our CTO and the brains behind our great and innovative platform. Zhenia, please bring.
Hey, Arnold.
Hi guys. Hi everybody. Hi. My name is Arnold. Thank you, Stas. Thank you for having me here. It's pretty awesome to be here with you and with everybody here. So nice to meet you all. So how are you today, Stas?
I'm great, and I'm pleased to have you finally speak. Last year you spoke with me on our keynote session.
Yeah.
This year you haven't joined us for the live event. You are the guy behind our platform. You basically run all the codes like in a metric style, and you build our incredible software, incredible SaaS software from ground zero up with our team. So I would like to hear several words about your experience, how we started, what is behind our tech. But first of all, I want Zhenia to introduce the topic.
Before that, I want to touch a little bit on the subject that we discussed. We want to touch about in this live stream. That's about event management. Okay, so for me, being somebody that's managing events, helping customers to create event management, we should talk about this a little bit more right now, just to get a zoom out, a context of what Arnold's going to say right now. So how do you think, guys? Does event management has to be hard? Does it need to be hard?
So the short answer, no. Many people on LinkedIn post amazing pictures where 25 people, 26 computers run one virtual event. I always smile at those pictures because it doesn't need to be so hard. I think those event professionals that share those pictures need to share other pictures, that instead of having 25 team members and 26 computers to run one virtual event, they need to share that they have only one person and only one computer. That's my idea of ideal event management. It doesn't need to be hard. You don't need to have a PhD in virtual events to have an incredible virtual event. I want to ask Arnold and Zhenia, how many people are currently running our virtual event? I know it's a small webinar, but how many people are involved in the whole process?
Around 100, no? We have like 100 people clicking the buttons.
Yeah.
The actual number, I know.
Just for you to understand, so there's 0 people, or actually there's one person that's running this live stream and running the live show on the platform and talking to you right now, which is myself. So this is all we need to operate things in our platform. And this is cool automations and all different amazing stuff that Arnold created. And we're going to actually talk about that today a little bit more. So guys, take it off.
So let's start on Arnold. Before we dive deep into the demonstration, you'll demonstrate different flows that are automated in our platform that helps event organizers to do easy event management. I want to just speak with you about how we all started, how we build our software. Can you share our brief history about how it all began?
So it all began with one guy who approached me and told me, hey, I have a crazy idea. that I want to make events super easy and super interactive, not like video calls, but more immersive. And this guy is here with me, and I usually just think crazy ideas. I love crazy ideas. Let's go for it. So we started almost 2 years ago to work on the platform, and it was incredible journey. I really, really loved the idea. Stas pitched me this amazing idea. This is a crazy mind. His crazy ideas of how to make real events. And even before the metaverse world, we already thought about it. It was really, really interesting to develop the platform. The whole process was with our clients. It was with mindset of what clients need, what they will use within our platform. We didn't want to develop everything, just write code endlessly, because also we had no resources back then. So we worked with our clients, we saw their needs, and then when they asked for something specific, we collected more and more information, and then we managed to create something immersive, something that everybody can use in our SaaS platform, almost in everything automated in mind. Because as Stas asked previously, we really want to make events simpler, to manage the events with less personnel as possible and to make them successful. A few words about our technology. So if technological guys here, we currently run on AWS. We're using the latest technologies, all the buzzwords like DevOps and serverless and everything, and Agora for video streaming. So we're trying to be on peak of the technology in order to provide the best experience for our users who are using our platform.
That's amazing, Arnold. I know that you love technology. You're a tech person. I think,
Yeah,
one of the best developers that I had an
I'm
opportunity to
blushing.
in my life. And I'm used to be a developer in the past. I kind of passed the mental to you, and you surpassed the master in so many ways. So you've done some.
Thank you for that, by the way. Thank you for that.
Sure, friend. And you have a very huge track record of successful working across the best tech companies around the world before you started working on our Vii Events platform. And I really appreciated that you are joined my vision. You joined my mad, crazy vision back then 2 years
And
ago.
awesome ideas. And crazy back then. Now everybody's talking about the
Yeah,
idea.
that is incredible, and I'm so grateful for our friendship and for our partnership.
Same
Now
here.
we are receiving questions and from chat, so I just want to remind that people can send us questions on LinkedIn, and Arnold and myself and Zhenia will answer them as well. People who are joined from the platform, I see the saying highs, and they're welcome to send their questions. We will address several questions before we start the demonstration. So I just want to keep for several minutes. I see already questions coming up. Maybe we'll start with the question and then we'll move to the demos. Jenny, what you say? Jenny is offline, but I'll take it from here and I'll start reading the
It's
question.
okay, guys. We're getting questions, so let's do that. We're kind of good on time. Get some questions in, get our audience some TLC, and I'll let you know when
Our
we
audience
skip
engaged.
to the demos.
Yes.
I'm
So
ready. I'm
Arnold,
ready.
we have a first question from Danielle. Danielle is asking the question from the platform, and she's saying the following thing. Arnold, what is the hardest thing was that you did in terms of the development process and working on your platform or R&D map, R&D role?
Honestly, the hardest thing was to just to thought about the ideas, to bring them to life. And when we got a lot of different ideas from our clients, usually with our team, especially with Stas, we sit together and we decide how we can leverage those ideas, how we can schedule, how we can build our development process. Because again, with a small team with a lot of ideas, so the prioritization of ideas, the whole thinking process, and how to make them automated. Was the main thing. We wanted to make almost everything within our platform automated. So this was the hardest part. The development itself, we have very creative people. It was interesting, but not as hard as to imagine everything and just build the process of how things were going to work.
And that's an amazing answer. I want to add, Arnold, something that's really important. First of all, we are a customer-centric company. That's what you said. And we are getting the requests from our customers, and we are evaluating what will make the most beneficial thing for all customers, and we adding up those features. That's why our platform is uniquely fitting the needs of the customers. We didn't build our product from the void, from our heads, and then looked for the audience. We build our product with our customers. So that's helped us to make a great product. And second, because we had a small team and we needed to run a lot of events. At the beginning, we were helping our customers to run their events. People didn't understood what our virtual events are, how to prepare for them. So we had a huge problem. We had hundreds of events with only 3 customer success people in the team, and we needed to help and run most of them. So now our customers run their own events because we have this automated platform. But how you did solve that problem, Arnold? How we run so many events simultaneously with just a small team?
The answer is automation. Everything within our platform can be automated, can be scheduled, and we'll show soon in the demos. And you can just sit and relax to build your event, predefine your event, and just see it work smoothly through whole day or days or even weeks or months.
We have more questions coming up, so I'm going to read the next question from Larry. Larry, what size of team do I need to run and manage your platform back office for a virtual event about 5,000 attendees? Arnold, do you want to answer?
I think you should answer this question.
So I can tell you, because like Arnold mentioned just a second ago, all our processes from live streaming, notification, direction of the flow, attendees management, attendees registration, and so on, all our processes in our beautiful platform, it's not just a pretty face, it's a smart brain behind that automate all those processes. And I can tell you, not just for 5,000, we have an event that 20,000 people join in the same second, so that like period of several seconds. We only used one person just to monitor the automated processes, because the automated processes run fluently, but sometimes you have delays, like a speaker doesn't go on time. So you need to make sure the automated processes keep updated. And we had only one person doing an event of 20,000. That's how easy it is. Let's see what we have more here. How much does it cost to develop a platform like yours? Sam asked that. Arnold, do you want to share about the cost?
I think we reached the point that it can cost a couple of millions to develop such a smart platform, and I'm really proud of it. I'm really proud of the journey that we did. That we started small, and we now have a very, very big, easy to use, and awesome platform that I really enjoy. I know I'm biased, but I'm less UI guy, more a backend guy. But I still love the UI, still love the processes, how things done there. So I'm really proud of it. Yes, Stas.
Yes, next question. Yeah, a lot. We are bombarded with questions. At some point, we will need to move to the demonstration. But for now, I want to bring another question. And Jank asked us a question: What networking features do we have on the platform? Can you elaborate? And if I feel, I will add some more.
Yeah. So in our networking, you can do a lot of stuff. You can communicate with people through personal chats. You can have a video meetings with them, video session, one-on-one sessions to share your ideas, share screen, to communicate with them. Of course, in our platform, you can create endless chats to every area where you can communicate with your audience, to share with them anything that you want. Our smart matching system, we can match some potential conversations. So during the event, we will suggest you some potential matches that you probably want to have those conversations, because I think it will help you in a personal, also a business level for different types of the events. So there are many things are going there. We have a lot of different integrations. That probably can add some more, but currently this is what coming from my mind, things that we have.
I just want to add another thing, because what we as well have, we have our own escape room that is helping people to have this ice-breaking moment. So we build it on our 3D engine. We build it a 3D escape room that can be a part of our platform, like a part of your event using our platform, or can be a standalone activity. It brings random people to a group of 5 players. They start mingling around the fun activity, and really this is ice-breaking moment, because
icebreaker.
Yeah, and they can really meet each other and build a lasting relationships through gamification. So that's a very amazing thing. Hope it answers the question. I'll moving to a last question for now. And the question is from Ravit. Do I need a unique skill set to be able to run events on your platform? Arnold, do you want to take the answer, or I'll answer it?
Feel free to answer. It's okay.
So no, the answer is no. You don't not need to have a PhD in anything. You need to be a technical oriented person. That's yes, because you'll need to understand how browser works. You need to understand how video works, but nothing very extreme. It's really basic a content management platform like WordPress, but even simpler because Arnold is a genius. And he really built a very easy platform. We have teachers and non-technical people from all industries using our platform, and they don't have, an education on how run virtual events. So that's a short answer. And if you're looking to do something very extreme, we have a lot of different partners, including ourselves, that gonna help you to learn how to acquire the required skill to make a perfect, incredible virtual event or a hybrid event. So you can always reach us. We provide value first. So if you want to learn how to create incredible events on our platform, or even if you just want to get an advice, feel always free to reach us at vii.events. Book a demo with us, book a consultation with us. It's absolutely free, and we love to meet new people. Now, Zhenia, can you come back, and we want to move to a next phase?
Yeah, sure. We want to move to the next phase. So now we will want to talk about a little bit about the different automated issues and how exactly Arnold did things and how exactly does it look like. So the first one will be Arnold. So can you tell us a little bit about the different automations in the system, maybe some about scheduling and things like that?
Of course. So first thing that when we started also to build the platform, we knew that scheduling is a very, very important thing, especially when for virtual events. It's very important to schedule your day, to understand what flows will you have. But also, we didn't want to have many people to sit on the schedule and click on the button, okay, now we're moving to next session and moving to next session. So within our platform, in the moment you will see it in the short demo, we develop a scheduling system where you can schedule not only the whole event, but even specific. You can see here in the demo, within our platform, that will allow you even schedule banner changes. So you can have, if you have a billboard, you can schedule even billboard changes on specific times. So here we can decide what kind of schedule we build for which area. We can give a name, a specific date and time. And if you have multiple areas, no issues. Everything is going to be automated. You will save the information. You will fill the usual fields. It's very, very self-explanatory system, very easy to use. We always testing the system also, and also we get a lot of feedback from our clients. So you can see here, you just fill the data, fill everything, build your schedule, and then that's it. The schedule will move. It will wait a couple of seconds before the session. It will show the next session. You will see the session live. It will begin here, and the session will go. You will have the discussion, your panel. Everything is going to be live. And once it's done, you can go for next schedule. You honestly don't need to do anything. So here in this example, you see exactly what is running. So for example, you want to change it to something else because now the session is over sooner than before, sooner than you scheduled. We can change it and it automatically changes. Our clients, our attendees don't need to refresh the page. Everything is occurring live. So every change that you do in administration panel during the event, your participants will see it immediately. So it's a very, very straightforward, very, very easy to use system. And we really, really wanted to make it easy for everybody. You can set time, create your speakers, even agenda will be built automatically from this scheduling system. And we're really, really proud of it. I think it's something unique in our platform, and our clients really, really love this. And I hear a lot of feedback that, especially to use this feature, event management become much, much easier. And as Stas mentioned before, it's like instead of having 100 people managing your event, you need only one. You will sit and just see the event. Everything is smoothly. That will run smoothly for them. So this is feature that I personally proud of. And once we're done with this specific feature, this was our base. So we decided, okay, now we have dynamic scheduling. We can schedule everything and everything. So let's build our system, and almost everything within our system is going to be automated.
Amazing, amazing. Zhenia, can you bring me back?
I have a question. I have a question. In the meantime, I'll upload the next demo, and I want you to address that. So in the technical sense, why is scheduling better than actually changing and making the clicks during the event itself?
Stas, do you want to answer or I answer?
Yes, I'll answer and then you complete me. First of all, you have all this pressure already from running event, virtual event, hybrid event, in-person event. It always have an element of pressure. Things go wrong. And as long as you can prepare maximum in ahead, like you can create the whole run of show, including all the areas that they need to be go live at a certain time, all the notifications that go along with them. If you predefined it, and then you only during the event, like I told before, you just need to postpone a certain live 5 minutes or make it sooner because the session ended before. That's the flexibility that we show. So we can plan your whole event to be automated. All the flows, all the lives are going in the right areas in the right time, and you don't need to be pressured by the making a mistake or putting something by accident wrongly. So that's help you to remove a huge amount of pressure from yourself, from the team, and focus on your event. Focus on networking with people during your event, finding the right people to drive the right conversations with them. Instead of worrying if the event started, if the live is started, if people seeing it, it's saving a lot of nerves and helping you enjoy your event.
You forgot something important. Also, will allow you to drink your coffee without any pressure. You can just drink your coffee and not be stressed about it, about the changes.
So
Absolutely.
guys, I want to add my my 2 cents. You didn't address that issue, so I just wanted to say it this way. So if things are automated, so computers make less mistakes than people, and also there's much less touch points and also much less abilities to actually have any technical issues or any issues that have to do with connections and things like that. So if everything is pre-planned and already loaded and ready to be launched at a certain time, then there's much less chance for any type of breakdown. Am I right, Arnold?
You're
agree with you.
absolutely right. And Arnold, I wanted to tell another cool feature that we have for live streaming, because streams are very hard. Not like the streaming itself, it's not always reliable because we have different streaming providers like YouTube, Vimeo, and although they're so great and so big, they also have problems. We live in a technical world. They have servers that might go down. So what we are doing to ensure that our customers receive maximum ability to control and have redundancy and backups. Can you elaborate on that, Arnold?
Yeah, sure. So as you mentioned, yes, we need to trust technology, but we don't need to trust technology. So also within our platform, we have this main scheduling when you build your schedule, build your live streams, but we have a backup options. So if something will happen, just in the click of a button, you can switch to your backup stream. So you, for example, you prepared another stream as a backup or another link or even a slide that you want to show that something is happening, guys, stay with us. Just click on the button, click save, and it automatically will be updated to all participants. They don't need to refresh the screens. They will just see a new feed or a new screenshot or anything that you want to share with them during this session. So it's really, we're really focused and we really believe technology, but we have backups to backups to backups within our platform. And
That's
it's
amazing.
really easy to use.
Okay, guys. So I think maybe we can move on to the next one.
Yes.
That's regarding. So there's a big question about how to let participants know something's happening inside the event, and we had to tackle that issue in different events. In the beginning, maybe popping up some messages by ourselves and doing difficult things. And I guess we now have a much better solution. And Arnold touched a bit about that.
So next option is really we have developed a dynamic notifications system that, because we currently is immersive platform with different areas for full metaverse that you can be in during the event, we develop an option to set up also a scheduling and build notification system where you can notify your participants like in specific time. And again, it's everything dynamic. As you can see here, you can build your schedule, you can select the notification. You can even select the areas where you want to display this specific notification. You set it, you define the time, click on the button, and this notification will appear in the specific time that you set. This will allow you during the event, for example, the important live session is about to begin, you can just automatically schedule it with the schedule and send a notification. And you don't need to click more buttons. It's part of the dynamic schedule building because you already know when your sessions are going to be. You can build all your notification system around it. And we have different types of notifications. Here in the demo, you can see it's like, one moment. So here you can see, you can select the date, you can check the area, and Once you start running this notification, it will pop up in the bottom of the screen. It will show the message. And once the message is there, so currently it's just not showing, it's just a demo, but you will see it here. So it's showing the message. You can click on the button. You will be navigated to this specific area. And you can do different types of notification. You can even put a YouTube video within a notification and it will be on the side, so it won't interfere with the event. And YouTube images, textual notification, and everything you can predefine. As I mentioned before, you can schedule almost everything, not almost even, everything within our platform. And just drink your coffee with no stress. I think we can bring Stas back. Maybe he can add even more to my ideas here.
Thank you, Zhenia, for bringing me back. And it was very very exciting to understand that, attendees, when you come to in-person events, you can see the attendees and you can plan your landscape this way that all the people will go through a certain booth at a certain time when we go to live, and you can direct the traffic and announce in the microphone, everybody please join us in a live area. In a virtual space, it's much complex to control that these people. They're in open world, they can do whatever they want. It's a great thing, but you need to give them a plan. You need to help them to provide those notifications in real time to right areas, and it's not need to be annoying. So I think we found a great combination that helps people to do various of different notifications, like a running line, video banners, image banners, text banners, and we are adding more and more cool features that are not annoying and not taking the freedom of people, but guiding them to the right place at the right time. I think we are ready to our third demo, and Zhenya, once you are ready, can you announce?
Yeah, I'm ready, guys. Look, I want to ask something a little bit technical. We're kind of having this. I would like you to, clearly just tell me, let's start the demo so we won't have any issues with that. Okay, guys? So let me know the demo's ready once you want me to start, so we'll just make it as smooth as possible.
So, and next feature that the option that we want to present, it's our advanced area management and file management. So in many different systems, usually you can select an image and upload one image and then upload more and more, and it will take you more time. What we thought, we say like, okay, our clients have many areas. They have so much content that they can add to the platform. And we don't want to make it just hard for them. It will take time consuming. So we developed our own file manager that will allow you to upload different types of files just by drag and dropping. And in a moment, Zhenia will share a short demo of this system. So you can see here, for example, it's a billboard, and in the billboard, there's some content. And soon I will be able easily to change it to whatever I want. So this is dynamic area within our platform. And great thing, we managed to embed graphical things with the dynamic content. So it will be part of the platform. This is something that immersive that we created within the platform. So you can open your file manager, just select from your computer as many files as you want. You can upload all the files to the system. And from that point, you can start connecting new areas. And it's really, really easy. You just fill the fields, select the image, and that's it. It's very, very easy, very straightforward to use. Our main goal was, as we mentioned at the beginning of this conversation, is to make things easier, to make things simple. And we always hear the feedback from our clients. And when they tell us that it's a little bit hard, can you make it a little bit easier? We just go to the whiteboard and starting to draw ideas how we can make it even easier, even with less clicks. So here, as you can see, this is the file manager. You can create folders. It's really seems like your computer file manager, but it's not. It's in the cloud, and it's very, very secure. It's isolated for every of our clients. So where security is top for us. You can upload anything that you want. Of course, there's some limitation of the file size or content type, but you still can upload your images, your PDF files, your different materials, select which folder you want, so you can organize even files within specific folder structure. So if you have a very, very big event and you have many areas, you can just organize also the files within the folders. So it will be easier for you to manage the content, to add content, to update content, to modify, etc., etc., etc. I think this, as you can see here, it's a very simple demo, and I think maybe we can move on, and later on maybe we'll share more of those cool stuff. So here it's a. So Jenny, if you can bring also Stas back with us.
I'm back. So I do want to touch this topic of file manager. People uploading different stuff and they're not always cautious about the different resolutions, sizes. I saw people upload an image that weight like 10 megabytes.
Yeah.
And it's not just only one image from an area of hundreds images in a platform that they are using. So what, Arnold, we are creating a new feature, I heard, that will help our customers to know what
Maybe.
size.
The
We are.
spoiler. Yeah.
Can you tell a bit about how you plan to
Yeah. So
fix that problem?
and this is was it's the request came from our customer success, Zhenia and his team, and they really pointed out that some clients upload really big images because they don't really understand that they just receive those images and upload. So our system is going to guide them. It's going to show them, guys, you're uploading something not so good. We recommend you to do XYZ, and also we're going to do our own optimizations just to make everything faster and automatic for them. Because for us, it's important that our clients will have a smooth experience. And if you by mistake uploaded an image that weight 100 megabyte, no matter which platform you will use, people will wait a lot of time to see this image. So we're going to guide them. The system is going to automatically adjust sizes, adjust images, will give them notification that, guys, please pay attention. Maybe you're doing something wrong. Maybe you want to fix it. Maybe not, but we're not going to force them to do something they didn't want to do. If someone is just really want to upload 100 mega, he will upload an image with 100 megabyte.
Thank you. I'm just watching the question feed always and cautious that people are asking our questions. But let's move for the fourth demo, and hopefully it will work
Yeah,
better.
sure, guys. I'm ready with it. So,
Right.
yeah.
Arnold, start presenting what is demo about. And
So the next demo is all about attendees. Attendees is a crucial part of every system, every event. You need to have a smooth flow of attendees after the registration, and we have a lot of different integration that we will touch later that you can bring your attendees into the platform. But once they're within the platform, you as the event manager have a lot of controls over attendees. So if they are spamming, for example, and in the moment we'll show if they are sharing some inappropriate content, you have control. You have different levels of control, how you can manage it. So here you see it's event participant of this specific event. We currently blur their names, but you can see when they're registered, when they're updated, and you can see some information about them. And you as the event manager, for example, let's say Stas is spamming the event, sending some inappropriate content. So you can decide to ban him from the event. Once you click the button ban, he will automatically kick off from the event. He won't be able to log in. And this way you prevent spammers. But it's not all. Within our platform, and it also comes from organization thinking, you can even decide before all the registration, everything, to ban specific domains. So if you know that there is some specific domains that you don't want to enter to your platform, let's say you don't want anyone with Gmail will be able to log into the platform. You can block full domain, and anyone who will try to log in with Gmail account won't be able to log in. Or you can go in a different direction. You can set only allowed domains. So let's say your organization, let's say you are Microsoft, and you want only from Microsoft after SSO and all the things log in, and you don't want to have mistakes someone from different your competitor join the event. So you can even secure and allow only Microsoft domain. And last part here, you can even restrict by IP ranges. So if your organization and you're using VPNs and you want a private level of organization, you can just upload a list of ranges of IPs, check the button here in the demo, just check the button, that's it. Save it, and automatically the system will be blocked for those who's not coming from this IP. For us, the security and event participant manager also was very crucial and important part. And it was really customer centric because it came from our clients' needs. We have a lot of clients that ask those different features, and we integrated them really cautiously because we wanted a very easy flow within the platform.
That's amazing, Arnold. And as well, I know that we have SSO. Am I right?
Yeah, of course. We're working with different organizations that using our platform, and SSO flow. It's really important, especially for organization. And yes, we have SSO flow integrated with many identity providers like Microsoft and many more.
That's
Google, like
So
huge list behind.
I'll sum just that up. So first of all, we have attendees management. You can block problematic attendees. You can limit access to certain email ranges and domains. Like if you want to exclude or include specific person who are able or not able to enter. We have whitelisting of IPs. We have 2FA. 2FA is a very important thing. So people will not
Right.
pretend to be fake people or stealing other people's identities. So we have 2FA protection. So for us, the right combination for security and easy login and easy event management, that was crucial. And that's why we built our platform, first of all, secure, second of all, easy. So that's about attendee management. And we can speak on and on about different features for the attendee management because that was just a fraction. And I want to move on the last topic. The last topic of the demo is the integrations. We recently announced that we are bringing a lot of event tech partners to join our party. So we on our website we have area where you can learn all about different partners. If you're a startup or a company in event tech and you want to join our very happy fellow bands of event pioneers,
Yeah.
you can come and contact us me directly on my LinkedIn or on our website. But we wanted all our integrations to be very easy. First of all, Ph.D. again in advanced technology. And second of all, we wanted that all the integration felt seamless to the attendees. So they'll experience
Mhm.
like a part of our platform. During this demonstration, I hope the demonstration will work. If not, we will again upload it on VOD mode where you can see the demonstration. Is a demonstration with Incently. Incently is our friend, our partner. They provide through gamification and through engagement points for all your engagement during the virtual event. Then you can redeem those points in a virtual store, a virtual marketplace where the sponsors can put different benefits, perks, discounts for the attendees and enjoy them. So what you
Yeah.
see now, you see the platform without the store, and we will go into our back office and show how it's easy to add the integration to Incently. But meanwhile, Arnold, can you talk about how you build all those integrations and how many we have?
So we have a lot of those. We have a lot of those, and we have even more than 30 or 40, and we keep adding and adding more and more different integrations. I think this is a fun part of the platform that me and my team really enjoyed. Different integration because it's not only a backend thing, we're adding it also to UI. So soon in this demo, you will see how we'll be able to add Instantly Store to the event. And in our platform, we have a lot of different gamification and leaderboards. So in couple of clicks, you will be able to connect a third party. For in this example, Instantly, you can just all you need to do is open an Instantly account, put your secret, put your API key within our platform, click the enable button, and that's it. That's it. You're done.
That's
The
a, that's
system will
a great.
automatically take everything, and will work with this partner automatically for you.
And let's say I wanna this third party to know who is joining. Let's say we are added recently added a new integration with SurveyMonkey, so people can now use SurveyMonkey in our platform.
Right.
So how do we explain them who used the SurveyMonkey, who answered it? So how the integration works?
So there are various ways. Usually, with the partner, we just decide how the communication, technical communication, is go. So SurveyMonkey, they have their own way, just passing the information to them. With Incently, working with their API, work closely with their developers, and everyone who will come to our website and want to be our integration partner, just talk to us. The communication is really easy. Once we understand the APIs and APIs, those machines, they talk with each other. Me as a user, Stas as a user, will see the final outcome. So here you see the Incently store that you can configure through your Incently dashboard. And once you activated the integration, it will be part of the event. And you will see your name, you will see the coins and everything that you collected during the event. So really easy. And I know we said a lot of easy word within our session, But this is what really we're trying to achieve. I personally hate system when I need to click more than 3 times to do something. I really hate it. And this was the idea. We really want to minimize the amount of clicks that person need to do, especially event organizers, because we know there are busy people to activate something, to add something to the platform. So this is only in Sentry integration. We have many, many more integrations. In A2Z event, we had almost all of them, but we have many surprises coming up soon also.
Thank you, Arnold. Thank you for this detailed question. And we finished the demo particles part, and we upload those in VOD. You'll be able to see those demo in much better quality. And my takeaway from it that events don't need to be hard. They can be fully automated. Most of the hard parts can be fully automated. You don't need a huge team to run big events. And that's what's great about virtual events. They help you to reach bigger audiences with smaller teams and receive much more value, especially if you do it all year around and not just use for one type of event, one day event. So we have new questions coming up. I will read them and we'll decide who's going to answer them.
Cool.
We have Jake asking us, how long is the training on your platform and how I apply for the training? So that's a great question. I'll answer it, Aaron, if I may.
Sure, sure.
Zhenia will soon address it. We have several announcements following this demonstration with you. We opened a partner program certification that helps event organizers and event professionals to be certified to do different elements on our platform. Like we can in potential send them customers, our customers that buying a license from Vii Events, and they require a service like live streaming, content upload, and building them a website. So we have all different type of services that can be provided on our platform, and we are looking for people with great service level, with very, very reliable people that want to build their business around our platform. And we are willing to train them, to explain them how things works, give them education. And Zhenia will give much more details on it. And it's really not hard. We creating a course where it's going to be breakdown to 2 parts. The first is the basics, where you can learn those basics, something between 5 to 10 hours of training. Then you will experience your first events. We will help you with the customer, running together with you the event, helping and you feel comfortable running our platform and running the event for the customer. And then you'll have much more trainings to be an expert and to provide nothing but nothing than incredible service to our customers, because they deserve it and we are delivering it. That's an amazing part. So it's a not huge training, but you need to be a certain person which is very reliable and want to succeed in giving a great service.
Follow us for the announcement soon.
Yeah, following another announcement soon. Next question. Tom asked a question. Where do you get the inspiration for all the features and innovations? Arnold, it's for you.
Honestly, the whole our team, where everybody in our company are very creative. Zhenia, Stas, Michal, here we have a lot of people that we're just sitting together sometimes and we're just discussing and throwing the ideas. Some of them, as we started in this discussion, came from our clients' needs, and we sit together and we see how we can even leverage it even more. So almost every day we have more and more ideas. Our development backlog is an endless scroll bar of ideas, and we're prioritizing them and trying to add more and more cool things to the platform to make it really unique and not like all other platforms.
By the way, I see comments on LinkedIn. People are thanking us, and I see a special comment from a special new acquired friend. It's Chris, Chris Goodchild. He has a very cool photo booth, and he's joining our partner area. So he's going to be a partner tech that is partnering with Vii Events, and people soon will be able to purchase his photo booth and enjoy it on Vii Events platform. So thank you for opening up for our live, and we are very excited to work with you. Now, moving to another question, I think, let's see. I think there is a lot of congratulations and thank yous.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Comments about how great that our platform is secure. That's very important. And we undergo penetration tests. Arnold, can you tell a little bit about penetration tests and what it means, and so people understand what security is really all about?
So a few things before Zhenia will pop in. So for us, security is top priority. Our clients, a lot of them are enterprise level clients. We're using platform. We're doing penetration tests on just almost every 6 months, I think, and we're testing all the platform, everything, before even we're releasing something, releasing feature, it goes through whole cycle of checking, QA, not only technical check, but also user-friendly check. We're asking, or even our friends sometimes, just guys, check it out. What do you think? If it's easy to use or not? We're trying to make it as user-friendly as possible, as secured as possible. So this is, and we're trying to work very, very quick because we have a lot of features, but we don't skip security and your usability. Those two things are very crucial and important for us.
Thank you, Arnold. I just want to explain to the people who are less technical what is a penetration test. Penetration test is when you take an external company, usually it's external company, some companies do it internally, but usually you take external experts, they are white hackers, good hackers, and they try to force your platform down, bring it down in terms of breaching your databases, steal your data, and we are making sure to protect it. So we hire the best minds in the industry to try to break in, and they never succeed. That's bad news for them, but it's good news for us. But we still need to take those services because people coming each day with new exploits, and we want to be always on the top, making sure that our customers' information and data is secure. So Arnold, I think that's conclude your part in our live today. It was so
Thank you.
great that you joined us today. I'm very thankful.
Thank you, Arnold.
I want to give now. You'll say
Thank
your
you, guys.
bye.
Thank you for having me here.
Thank you, Arnold. I'll see you in
Now,
office.
bye-bye. See
Bye,
you.
guys.
Zhenia, I wanna now speak with you about our certification. So there was a question. You hear the question. Can you give more information about our certification program? When it's gonna start?
You gave. Let me be honest. You gave quite a lot of information. Maybe you should have kept some for me. But let's just go over this. So, let me just start with the idea behind it. So we're looking for our platform. We always thought when we build a platform that it's actually very complicated, very difficult, and people need to be very technical to operate things and so on and so on. Then once we, for just one single time, compared it to whatever is around there in the events jungle, we understood that we have the easiest platform ever with the most robust options that people can use. So, and after teaching a couple of clients on how to use the platform successfully and get their amazing feedback that the platform is actually very simple and they really enjoy using it. And we have customers that use it, doing numerous events on their platform, on their yearly license. And really, we don't even hear from them. Maybe if they need something minor to understand in our knowledge base. So getting to that level took a lot of time, a lot of effort, like Arnold just said, and he described that it's actually a pretty serious process to get everything automated and simple and straightforward. So we decided this year to launch a certification course. So to teach event professionals that want to take their game to the next level and use our platform and all its immersive options and everything that it has, and just create a certificate that will teach them how to do it in the best way possible. So we're talking about first of all, we're going to teach the people the basics that need to understand how to set up the event, and after that, we're going to test their skills together with them on their event. So once we believe in hands-on. So once you learn how to actually put in the content and configure everything inside our platform, we're going to test it on a test event or on a real event that we're going to use, and from there you're going to learn how to actually succeed in making a successful event. So you can compare how using Vii Events platform to make your event is how it compares to whatever you did before, and how much more you can get out of your event and how much more value you can get out of your event. So guys, we're soon going to have our hybrid event, and Stas is going to touch on that just in a few moments, but we're going to launch the course about a week to 2 weeks after the hybrid event, and there's a really limited amount of people that are going to take this, especially for the first time. And guys, this is going to be course that will actually teach you not only how to operate our system, but what is successful events, how to do them, how to create all the correct integrations that you need. So there's a lots of value there. We spend numerous hours on creating this, and it's going to be awesome. So, and let's get Stas back here. Okay, let's get Stas back here. And
Yeah. Thank you for this
let's
explanation.
talk a little bit about what's happening in our nearest future.
Yes, so on 7th of March, we are going to host our in-person event. This is the second part of our event of A2Z, a big part. We're going to invite about 35 people. We're going to handpick the most engaged people in the industry that are participated on A2Z. We're going to handpick the thought leaders and people who are experts on all that is hybrid, virtual, and metaverse. Bring them to a very safe, comfort location in St. Pancras Renaissance Hotel. Can you bring please the screen? Yes, thank you, Zhenia. So we're gonna bring them to this magnificent hotel, St. Pancras Renaissance Hotel, where they'll be able to meet in a COVID-safe environment. We're gonna very be strict on that. We're gonna test people before they're coming in to make sure this location is safe and intimate. We're going to have deep conversations, panel discussions, round tables. We're going to have a very fancy reception and dinner and cocktails. So it's going to be very intimate, small in-person event because we want to really be able to give people a stage to express what they went through these 2 last years and where we are going next as a community. The event, of course, will be hybrid, so it's going to be part of the event, which is going to be streamed virtually on our platform. As well, we have specific activities that only available virtually. So the event will start in person. In the same time, it will be streamed virtual. Then we're gonna continue our event in person with certain activities that are going to be only in person, but some other activities that are going to be available only virtually. This way, we'll not leaving our virtual attendees behind, like they're feeling that they are not part of something. They'll also receive additional value that is only available for them. And of course, we'll have the fullest dedication to our people that are coming to hug us, to shake our hands, and to meet us in person. I want to thank my strategic partner, Stuart from Catch the Mice, who are helping us with that amazing event organization here, bringing all these different sponsors that helping us to create this amazing in-person event. So Stuart, big thanks. I'm really looking forward to meeting you at the event and being a part of that amazing success that we're going to deliver for all our attendees. I think we are concluded our live session for today. I enjoyed it very much, I always do. Zhenia, I'm very thankful for all your support. And Zhenia, I don't hear you. You're on mute or something, so you can
We were
unmute
very
yourself.
productive today, Stas. We did a lot of things. We had Arnold to talk about automations and how our system was created and how our platform is automated. We had to talk about a little bit about event management. We talked about the certification, which is awesome, and you all have to attend and get your virtual event game up one level or maybe 10. And we also talked about our cool hybrid events. So I think we did a lot of nice things today. And I really also want to thank the guys from EVMux for sponsoring this and getting us to use this incredible software of theirs. And I think we can finish with this. A couple of words for us.
Yes, I just want to say that beyond this slide, we are building a community. So we're gonna pop up from time to time on your LinkedIn feed, inviting you to come to our A2Z community, where you can find events from this year, which was live on January 20th, including all our amazing speakers, this live and all the other lives that we are gonna do. And we also, as well, because yesterday was, I think yesterday, no, 2 days ago. 2 days ago, it was a Valentine's Day. And on that day, we expanded our metaverse. We added to our platform Virtual Paris. Virtual Paris was our first A2Z event last year. So eventually, when the event ended and the year ended, we moved to Virtual London. But for us, it was very hard to leave this beautiful city of love behind. So instead of closing our gates and throwing all these amazing graphics and concepts and all those amazing sessions that our sponsors and speakers provided, we expanded our universe, we expanded our metaverse, added a new region, and we have this airplane in our platform where you can take Vii Airs with Catch the Mice to London and Paris and back and enjoy all those amazing sessions, meet our, again, speakers. There is a sponsors area as well where you can book meetings. So we are expanding our metaverse, and it's not the end. We're gonna add many more cities, and it's just a teaser. But stay tuned, be a part of our community. We are really looking forward to speaking you all the time, and we are always available for you. Thank you, guys. Thank you for today, and I'm looking forward to see you on our next
Thank
live.
you very much, guys, and you have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.